everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make Tibetan Dresil. Tibetan Dresil is sweet dish. So usually we make on Losar time. So our Losar also coming. So I'm going to show you how to make Dresil and hope you guys enjoy. So these are ingredients. We need butter, rice, some nuts, and we need droma. It will find little difficult. You will find only Tibetan area. So I'm going to soak for droma first. We need to soak for 1 to 2 hours. Add the hot water. Second, I'm going to add 1 cup rice. And now I'm going to wash this. By the way, I used basmati rice. You can use any kind of rice. Now I ready to wash. Now I'm going to add 1.5 cup water. That is perfect. Now cover and cook for 20 minutes. Okay guys, so after 2 hours later my droma become soft. See, it's very soft. Its taste is like very sweet. It's like a sweet potato taste. It's coming like that. So now it's perfect. Now I'm going to wash this. Now wash it 3 times. Okay, now my all tasty ingredients are ready. Now what you want to do? We need to first melt the butter. Now it's perfect. So here I'm going to put here because my rice cooker is very small. So half I'm going to put here. Add all the ingredients. Here I'm going to add 3 teaspoons sugar. This is gundum. This is gundum, dry grapes. This is peanuts, and this is some nuts. Main ingredient is droma. And we're going to add butter. You can add directly also because some butter will coming smell. So here I melt the butter. And mix very well. See how it is simple and it's look like delicious. Simple recipe is ready, delicious. And next I'm going to make this is butter flavor. And next some people don't like the butter, so I'm going to use oil. Make same stuff. Add the all ingredients. Now this time what you want to do, we're going to add oil. I'm going to add just half teaspoon cooking oil. I already did it and mix very well. For me, I always making like this because I don't like the butter. For my Dresil style, I'm going to eat like this. But this is the original one. This is the original one. Okay, this is my final result. One is oil desi and one is butter desi, and both of these are ready. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share your friends, and leave comment below. Thank you for watching my video. We'll see you in next video. Bye bye.